Hey guys, welcome to my channel Shorthand with Neha. So, today's dictation is for the beginners. So, we start the dictation within a 5 seconds. Start. For several special reasons, I should like you to come to see me on Wednesday as early as you can. Full stop. I specially desire you to write out the names of all the firms with which you have had business dealings since you came to us. Full stop. I shall discuss a new policy with you and the names for which I ask may be of use. Full stop. I am a bit upset at the refusal of Ashu and Benson to take those Eskimo rugs, and I should like to know the reasons for the refusal. Full stop. I have several subjects besides these of which I wish to speak to you when I see you on Wednesday. Full stop. Ask to see me as soon as you arrived. Full stop.